Hi, Kez here from Spirit and Bear. Okay, today I'm going to show you how to correct your pyrography overburns, so your mistakes in pyrography, okay, using one of these and one of these. Let's get started. Okay, we are going to start with this really dark burn. I'm going to show you how to remove it. Now, what we have here first is a stick, just a piece of scrap wood with a tapered edge, with a piece of sandpaper over the top. I'm not quite sure what grit it is, so it's quite low. Now I've just taped it over the top. Now, all you have to do with this is just sand over the top of your burn. Now, personally, I find that this gives me less control over where I want to remove my mistake. Now, it also, the sandpaper I find can move the carbon around and give you carbon in your grain elsewhere. Second way, and best way, my personal opinion best way, is using a knife. Now, you don't have to use one like this. You can use any craft knife, scalpel knife, anything that's, gives you a point or good sharp edge, really. Now, all I'm going to do here is simply just scrape. You don't push down deep. You just go over and over and over. Just light, very light pressure, and just scrape over the top. Keep scraping and scraping. It takes a little longer than sandpaper would. It takes a bit of patience to keep going over and over and over. But I find that this is definitely the most effective. It also gives you more control when you have to remove smaller burn areas. As you can see, I've got quite a clean line across there. A few more minutes and that would be gone. Okay, so knife and sandpaper.